got an oil-fired furnace and an oil-fired water heater. I used to deal with his wife all the time, but I guess she's no longer with us, so he's calling me and wants me to go by there. It's been a couple of years since I've been there, he said. I'm familiar with the place. I think I changed the water heater out a few years back. The other one was all full of soot. I told him you gotta keep up on this stuff, you know. I think it's got two filters at the tank, one for each unit. But anyway, we're gonna go over there and check the filters, change the filters, and put new nozzles in there, make sure they're running clean and lean. If he's not a helicopter, he might be a helicopter type. We'll see. Steve is working again, Mama.
One of those gauges doesn't work.
Oh, not one of the gauges don't work?
Yeah, I check it periodically with a stick. And I just had.
Okay, so it is. You think they're equalizing?
Yeah, they are. I measure it. I put the stick.
All right, we're gonna check it anyway.
Well,
That's what I thought. It had double something on it, double shutoffs. That's what it was. One filter. I know there was something different about it.
Yeah.
Everything's been working okay? Yeah.
Yeah, it seems to be, yeah.
I wonder why he's got a double filter, double shutoffs like that. I don't know. Don't look too bad, we're gonna change it anyway. Alright, to get out here. Flow out of that one. See what we get out of this one. Alright, we're getting a flow out of both tanks. That's okay. We're getting a flow out of both tanks, so they will equalize. He does check them with a stick, he says, because one of the gauges isn't working. Get the air out. I haven't been here in a couple of years, so I wanted to put a new filter in there for sure. Get the air out. On setup. been a couple of years since I've been here. Here we go. Here's the oil. It's bleeding it. So there's no air in the filters now, right? So I don't have to bleed it. I don't have to bleed it at the, we'll check the oil flow at the tank, at the pump. But there's no air in it, so. This has got two separate lines here. Two separate lines, one going to each one. Wow, 14, so that's 5 years ago. No filter at tank, blood oil line, new nozzle. Couple of years, yeah. It's a Colin. Colin or a Bach. I think it's a Bach. Yeah, same thing. Easy one, it's a Colin. Looks like it's running pretty clean. I got a 1 gallon nozzle in there. 1 gallon 70. .60-degree nozzle is good for a Colin. That's what was in there, 1 gallon, so we'll put that back. Alright, good. Running a little bit on the lean side, looks like. Air band. It's marked here. A nice burner. No problem with the Colin burners like this. He's nice. Bach. It says Bach. It's a Colin. It's the same thing. Make sure we're getting a good oil flow here. Make sure we're getting a good oil flow. Turn up the limit here so it runs. side so I don't set up right. Temperature back down. These are nice controls. I'm gonna start running these controls. Them 81, 84Gs are way too much money. These are like half the price than the Honeywell controls. I like these. You can jump them out easy enough right here. Alright, new filterette tank, good oil flow, new nozzle, clean burner head, reset air band. Just do this furnace next. Yeah, I did this one the same time. We got a front nozzle in there, a little 75-80. Looks like. So here he is, looks like. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. See what the head looks like when I pull it out of here. Yeah, she's getting crusty. She's a crusty one. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. You can tell that the head's still on there. This nozzle's gonna be changed for sure. Looks like it's got some snots on there. I might reset these electrodes down a little high. The filter's clean. Oh, I got a little 75-80 in there, I think. 75-80 will be fine. It says he's got the heat really low, like 60 degrees or some crazy thing like that. I don't know why it's so low, but that's what he had told me. These nozzles are going to be tight. Alright. Yeah, electrode's going to come down some. They're a little high. Careful you don't break the electrode, you know. Tighten that up. It's got a delayed oil valve on this thing. Put that little clip on there and tighten it. Close the transformer down with that clip. Alright. Start it up nice. She's a crusty one, Mr. Beach. Custom. Now, if you were getting an issue with the oil, you'd hear it surging and whatnot, so it'll be good with that. Changed the fan here last year or the year before. Alright, so new filter at tank, new nozzle, clean burner head, good draft over fire. They replaced the motor in 16. So we should be good to go for a while. Fan kicked in, no rollout, so we're good there. There's some damper controls here or something. Yeah, zone dampers. Look at that shit, old stuff. Yeehaw!